So today we're doing a little MTB vlog at Lee Mill with Fraser and the dad.
On the rig.
So we're going to try get some stuff done on this line over here.
Yeah, man. Do this on the YT or Bear. The old Vitus rig. We've got this line here. See what we can get done.
Oh my God!
Do a little bike check of each bike. I'm on a Vitus Summit 27.5 Enduro 2021. Upgraded it with XT brakes, spank wheels, halo hubs, load of oil slick, just a few random bits, better stem bars, forks because I brought the others. Rate them in the comments which one's the best.
Now this is my YT Jeffsy Primus. Got lyrics on it, but broke them, so they sent it back with a few upgrades on. Got some new high-rise handlebars on it, XT brakes, Super Deluxe Ultimate shock on.
And a little side valley. Wow, that was so good.
Was it?
Send him on.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah. So we're on the Lee Mill Quarry mountain bike jumps today. Got a nice running over there. Then you've got these two tables with different size lips on both sides. This is the second jump. You've got a small, middle and a large. This is a shark fin type jump here. Yeah, and this one has like a bigger lip here.
Right, session's over here. We're going to send the full line to the bottom where we park, yeah?
Before we do it, you gotta do this.
What we're going to do, guys, is... Yeah?
Yeah. Send it.
Virtual one, yeah? Ready? Go.
Yeah.
Fucked all of them up. Go, go, go.
That was mad, that. Absolute madness. Now, send it down here.
So that's the end of the first little MTB session a while. I'm sure we'll get another one going.